Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make FAQ section in Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course add another page first into your site, and after that just simply click on edit over here. And now let's say I'm gonna add a FAQ over here. So I'm just gonna click on the section and click on add a block over here. And now from here, just simply go for accordion over here. So click on that and I'm gonna move it over here on the side and I'm gonna expand it a little bit more. And after that, just simply click on this over here, guys. Just simply click on the first one. Just simply provide the FAQ over here. So the title will be the question and the description will be the solution. And once you are done, you can just simply go back. And after that, you can just do the same thing to the others. And you can just simply delete them. And you can just simply click on add item if you want to add more. And finally, once you are done, just simply click on save in the top left corner of the screen. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.